Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today our question is x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 98 and x minus y is equal to 8. So we have to find the value of x plus y here. Now starting our solution, as we know that x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 98. Now we have to just write this x cubed plus y cubed according to algebraic identity. If we have a cubed plus b cubed, then it is equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So here, using this identity, then left hand side of our equation will be x plus y times x squared minus x times y plus y squared is equal to 98. Here we can write this x plus y times, here if we just add and subtract minus 2xy, so x squared plus 2xy minus 2xy, and here we have this one plus y squared and minus xy is equal to 98. Here we just add and subtract 2xy and minus 2xy, so if we cancel there will be no issue here because x squared plus y squared minus xy remains same. Now our next step will be x plus y times, if we see that here x squared, this can be written as plus y squared, and here we have plus 2xy. So if we see this one, it is a perfect square. Now here we have minus 2xy and this one minus xy, that is equal to 98. Now our next step will be x plus y times, here we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, it will be x plus y whole squared. So here we have x plus y whole squared. Now here minus 2xy minus xy, we will get minus 3xy is equal to 98. Now here we see that x plus y and x plus y are like expressions, so we just suppose that, let us suppose this x plus y is equal to t. So here it will be x plus y, which is t, times substituting this value, so we get t squared minus 3 times xy is equal to 98. Let's say it is our equation number 1. Now using algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a plus b whole squared is equal to a minus b whole squared plus 4 times a times b. So according to this identity, here we have, let's say, this a plus b, so here a is x and b is, here we have b is y. So according to this one, then we just write that x plus y whole squared. So if we have this one, then we can also write x plus y whole squared, that x plus y whole squared is equal to x minus y whole squared and plus 4 times x times y. Now here x plus y, according to this one, x plus y is equal to t, so here we just write t squared is equal to x minus y whole squared. According to our equation 1, x minus y is actually, it is equal to 8. Here we have x minus y is equal to 8. Putting this value here, then we get x minus y whole squared will be 8 squared, it will be 8 squared, and plus 4 times xy, 4 times xy. So t squared is equal to 8 squared is 64 plus 4xy. Now shifting this 64 to our left hand side, then we have t squared minus 64 is equal to 4xy. Now if we divide 4 on both hand side, So here we will get this 4 is cancelled out. Then t squared minus 64 divided by 4 will be. So this xy, if we write here to our left hand side, this xy is equal to t squared divided by 4. We can write this denominator separately, 64 divided by 4. So here we have x times y is equal to t squared divided by 4, and here we get 4 1 is 4, 4 16s are 64, so it is equal to 16. Now xy is equal to t squared divided by 4 minus 16. Now recalling our equation number 1, so if we just recall our equation number 1, so our equation 1 is, here we have t times t squared minus 3xy is equal to 98. It is our equation number 1. So here we just write that t times t squared minus 3xy is equal to 98. Here we see that it is xy, so we just put the value of xy from this one. Then we get t times t squared minus t times, here it is t squared, and minus 3 times xy is t squared divided by 4 minus 16, which is equal to 98. Now our next step will be, here we have t times this t squared, so t squared minus, multiplying this 3 into parentheses, we get 3 times t squared is 3t squared divided by 4, minus time minus is plus, 3 times 16 is 48, which is equal to 98. Now our next step will be, here we have t times, here we have denominator is 1, so we just write that 4, here 4 times t squared is 4t squared minus 3t squared plus 48 is equal to 98. Now t times, here we get 4t squared minus 3t squared, we get t squared divided by 4 plus 48 is equal to 98. We are going to just simplify this one. So we have t times, here denominator is 1, so taking this common multiple which is 4, so here t squared plus 4 times 48, here we have 192, which is equal to 98. Now our next step will be that t times t squared plus 192, so t times t squared is t cubed plus t times 192 t divided by 4 is equal to 98. Now if we multiply this 4 on both hand side, so multiplying by 4, here we just multiplying by 4, this 4 is cancelled out, we get t cubed plus 192t is equal to 98 times 4 is 392. Now shifting this one to our left hand side, then we get t cubed plus 192t, and here we have minus 392 is equal to 0. Now here actually t is the solution, and the value of t is actually 2, so t is a solution of this equation. Now t minus 2 is a factor. If this one, it is the solution of this equation, then we have the factor which is t minus 2, it is a factor. So here this t cubed plus 192t minus 392 is equal to 0, so it can be written as t cubed, and if we just add and subtract 2t squared, adding subtracting and now adding 2t squared, so this 192t can also be written as minus 4t plus 196t, and here we have minus 392, which is equal to 0. Now our next step will be, here if we just write that t cubed, it is our first pair, it is our second pair, and it is our third pair. Now Here we just take t squared is common, so we get t minus 2. Here we get t minus 2. Similarly, plus 2 is taken common from this pair, we get t minus 2. And here plus 196 is taken common, we get t minus 392 divided by 196, we get 2 is equal to 0. Now we see that t minus 2, here t minus 2 is a common term, it is a common factor, so t minus 2 times, here we have t squared plus 2, and here we have that 196, so it is 2t is common, sorry, here it is 2t, then we get t minus 2, so t squared plus 2t plus 196 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases here, that t minus 2 is equal to 0, or t squared plus 2 times t plus 196 is equal to 0. So from this one we see that t is equal to, shifting minus 2 we get plus 2, so it is the value of first value of t. Now it is a quadratic equation, we have to solve it by using quadratic formula. If we just compare to general form of quadratic equation, which is x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if we just compare to this one, here we see that coefficient of on this t squared is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, c is equal to 196. Now we are going to just use our quadratic formula here. So here using quadratic formula, as we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus, here it is x, so we just put here it is t. Now x will be t, so t is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Now putting the values, we get t is equal to minus value of b is 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 196 all over 2 times a is 1. So our next step will be t is equal to, here t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 196 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now here we have t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of, here if we just take 4 as common, we get 1 minus 196 all over 2. So our next step will be t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 times, here we have 1 minus 196 is 195 minus 195 all over 2. It can also be written as minus 2 plus minus, that if we just write separately these two terms, so we get square root of 4 times square root of minus 195 all over 2. Now t is equal to, here t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is equal to 2, and it can also be written as square root of 195 times minus 1 square root all over 2. So here we have minus 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 195 and minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. Now if we take 2 is common, so it will be t is equal to 2 taking common, so we have minus 1 plus minus 195 I all over 2. Now cancelling 2 with 2, we get two values of t, that is t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 195 I. So here we have two values of t, so our total values of t will be, first is real one, which is 2, and then minus 1 plus minus square root of 195 I. So here we have values of t. Now recall our position here, that we have just recall this t is equal to actually x plus y. So x plus y is equal to t. Then values of x plus y will be, x plus y is equal to, here first solution is 2, which is a real solution, and second one is minus 1 plus square root of 195 I, and third one is minus 1 minus square root of 195 I. So here we have three values of x plus y, and it is our final answer, it is our required result. So we have find out three values of x plus y. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. I really hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So it is our entire solution. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Have a nice day. Goodbye.